All right, guys, thank you so much for watching today, and I look forward to hearing from you in the comment section as to your thoughts on this 54 Stratocaster. It's really a special guitar, but I have to admit, unfortunately, this guitar does not belong to me. My friend Rich has generously allowed me to
All right, here we have the Spyderco Tenacious G10. Just received it from our Amazon order. It is a combo blade, black, nice steel, and it comes very high quality.
Can't see it in the video, but I cut a piece of tape and the blade chipped. Very easy to sharpen, but will dull by cutting tape. It literally chipped the blade.